When we run workshops in companies, right?
Yeah.
I go to a company and we make a customer experience workshop. And of course, C-level says, oh, head and C-level, we make a customer workshop with you. I said, ooh, that's pretty right? Because I force them, or I try to force my clients and say, okay, C-level, head level, you can be there, especially from sales and CS and the front end.
Yeah.
But I want real front end people in this workshop. I want a real CS person. I want a real salesperson. And then we make a workshop and I mix the groups, right? There's the CEO, there's a salesperson, there's a head person.
Yeah.
And from these three people, when we come to the brainstorming phase, right? Ideas, what can we do better with the customer? Who has the best ideas?
The customer service people.
Yeah, the CEO not. The CEO hasn't seen the customer for ages. Sorry to say that, right? The best ideas come from front-end people.
That's true.
Sometimes I told the teams, especially the teams who sit in front of their desk the whole day and never go out, I said, we make a program, experience the customer. So when we did customer focus groups, we invited product colleagues, we invited marketing colleagues, and they were only there to listen.
Yeah.
They were not like arguing with the customer. No.
Yeah.
No, they were not allowed. But we said, please come along.
Yeah.
You see a customer. If you really want to take customer experience serious, you have to take your front-end people serious, that they really have great ideas.
Yeah.
And you have to ask them about their feedback and their ideas. And you also need to do things what connects you again to the customer. Get out of the office and experience the customer.